Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Old Spice High Endurance Pure Sports Scent Men's Body Wash 18 fluid ounces, pack of 6. It is not a sensual date night intimate sort of soap, it's more of a loud clean smell. Compared to Axe Body Wash, in the same price range, Axe hands down has the more sensual date night scents that don't last past the bath mat. It's basically a very low quality soap that dries the heck out of your skin. It saw that many of its competitors were putting out shower gels, and it wanted a piece of the action. This shower gel is a result of corporate greed getting in the way of making good products. Definitely invest in this product if you want a masculine scent after a hot shower. This is an okay product, but there are two things wrong with it. One, it wets your skin in such a way that it falls off of your hand before you can get your hand to your face. 2, the dispenser is built in a way that makes it very difficult to dispense a small amount of soap when the dispenser is full, and very difficult to dispense a large amount of soap when the bottle has been emptied to about 25, or less. Nice product, and always arrives in great condition in a very timely fashion as well. This body wash smells absolutely amazing. The scent is fresh, and lingers for hours after the shower. Note that the box they come in says do not expose to temperatures above 45 C. or below 5°C. This is our favorite. It's refreshing with a great lather. The hydration from the gel leaves skin smooth and not dry. And the price for Prime members that subscribe and save, but wish this product was better for your body without all the harmful chemicals. The smell is strong when you first shower, but the intensity drops off quickly, and someone has to be pretty close to smell it after an hour. It's one of the few brands that make you feel clean rather than the diluted versions of other brands. The pricing for this body wash is fantastic, and great to get if you're on a budget. If anyone is looking for a clean and refreshing body, this is the wash for you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.